10 Accidental Inventions and Discoveries. From Velcro to tea bags, the world is shaped by surprising accidental inventions that we often take for granted. Here are the top 10 that have made a significant impact. 1. Fireworks. About 2,000 years ago in China, a cook mixed charcoal, sulfur, and saltpeter, common kitchen items back then. He found that the mixture burned, and when put in a bamboo tube, it exploded. By trying different mixes, he made colorful explosions. This discovery led to what we call fireworks today. 2. Viagra. In 1998, Pfizer tried to create a pill to cure heart spasms but failed. Instead, they discovered the pill had a surprising effect that led to the creation of Viagra, a major selling drug used for erectile dysfunction. 3. Safety glass. In 1903, French chemist Edouard Benedictus accidentally dropped a flask in his lab, but it didn't shatter. He discovered that plastic cellulose nitrate inside the flask had coated it, preventing it from breaking. This accidental discovery led him to invent safety glass, which is widely used today. 4. Super glue. In 1942, Dr. Harry Coover was trying to make a rifle sight but accidentally created a substance that stuck to everything. He initially gave up on it, but 6 years later, he realized its potential for bonding objects without heat. After some more experimentation, Coover patented the invention, and in 1958, super glue started being sold globally. 5. Tea bags. In 1908, American tea merchant Thomas Sullivan sent tea samples in small silk bags to customers. People started using them like metal tea infusers, putting the whole bag in the pot. Customers complained that the silk mesh was too fine, so Sullivan made bags from gauze. By the 1920s, these became popular, leading to the accidental invention of tea bags. 6. Penicillin. In 1929, Alexander Fleming accidentally left a petri dish uncovered in his lab and discovered a mold that killed bacteria. He identified it as Penicillium notatum, and with the help of Howard Florey and Ernst Chain, this mold was turned into penicillin, a life-saving antibiotic. The discovery was so significant that they were awarded the Nobel Prize. 7. The microwave. Percy Spencer, an engineer and electronics genius, accidentally discovered the microwave oven. While working with a microwave-emitting magnetron, he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Realizing that microwave radiation was responsible, he used this knowledge to create the microwave oven, a convenient appliance used around the world. 8. Dynamite. Alfred Nobel discovered how to make nitroglycerin safer by accidentally spilling it on clay called kieselguhr, which absorbed the explosive. He mixed the two, creating dynamite, a more stable explosive. This invention revolutionized construction and warfare. 9. Velcro. In 1948, Swiss engineer George de Mestral went hunting and noticed burrs sticking to his socks and his dog's fur. He looked at them under a microscope and saw tiny hooks. After experimenting with different textiles and nylon, he invented Velcro. It became popular about 20 years later when NASA started using it. 10. Insulin. In 1889, two doctors accidentally discovered a link between the pancreas and diabetes while studying digestion. They found sugar in a dog's urine after removing its pancreas. This accidental finding led researchers in Toronto to isolate insulin between 1920 and 1922, turning diabetes into a treatable condition.